Speak last Tuesday at 2 a.m., $3,200 hit my account. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash I was asleep. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash n8n workflow made that happen. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash here's the exact setup. n8n is a self-hosted automation platform, think Zapier. Break time equals end quote, 200 ms end quote slash but free, private, and a lot more powerful. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash I'll be straight with you. After running this for 6 weeks straight, the combo I landed on was AI content generation, Gumroad delivery, and an email upsell sequence. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash total setup time. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash 2 hours. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash total server cost. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $5.40. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash here's what ran while I slept. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash step 1. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash a visitor finds my aitoolspot article at 3 a.m. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash step 2. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash n8n sends a Gumroad checkout link by email automatically. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash step 3. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash AI writes a personalized upsell email 20 minutes after the purchase. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash step 4. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash money. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash no human involved. n8n has 400 plus native app integrations and built-in AI nodes. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash you build this once. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash it runs forever. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Zapier charges $20 a month for 750 tasks. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash hit that cap and everything stops. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash make gives you 10,000 operations at $9. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash but n8n self-hosted? Unlimited runs. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash 0 per task fees. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash the only real cost is a $5 VPS on Hetzner. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash for high volume automation, it's not even a close call. n8n has 3 options. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash self-hosted. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash completely free, you own your data, unlimited runs. Break time equals end quote, 200 ms end quote slash but you manage the server. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash cloud starter. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $20 a month, 2,500 executions, no server work. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash cloud pro. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $50 a month, 10,000 executions, team features. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash for the $3,200 setup I just showed, self-hosted on a $5 Hetzner VPS. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash total monthly cost. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $5.40. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash my score. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash 9.2 out of 10. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash pros, free forever self-hosted, 400 plus integrations, native AI nodes, no task throttling. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash cons, the first setup takes 2 hours, there's no beginner handholding, and cloud pricing gets steep fast. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash but for passive income automation? Nothing beats it at this price. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash drop a comment. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash what would you automate first? Full workflow template, link in the description. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash subscribe for daily AI tool reviews /speak.